What's up, YouTube? It's your boy here. I'm going to do an iPod microwave test. It's disabled. You see the battery on it right now. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 seconds or 1 second or, just see what happens. So here, you see it's right there. It's disabled for 23 million minutes. So, you see. We're going to put it in there for, let's do 3 seconds. Ooh, I wonder what happened. It's dead. It's a little bit of heat in it. It's not turning on. So yeah, I don't think you should put your shit in the microwave for any more, not even 3 seconds, and it's fried. Here, let's plug it into the charger and see if anything happens. Okay, so I plugged it into the charger. Yeah, it's completely fried. It's done. So that's what happens if you put your iPod Touch in the microwave for 3 seconds. I don't recommend you doing it, but hey, it was a test.